Hi learners, welcome back to my channels. In our last video, we have to see the marketing definition. We have deal the definition of marketing. Let's start with a quick revision of a marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is the a certain consumer needs convert into the idea, products, services, moves such idea etc. to the final consumer or user to satisfy the certain needs and want to satisfy consumer segment with the emphasis of the profitability, ensuring and optimum use of the resources available to the organization. Let's see that the nature of marketing. First we have marketing economics function. For second we have marketing is a legal process by which ownership transfer. Third we have marketing is a system of interacting business activity. Fourth we have marketing is a managerial functions. Fifth we have marketing is a social process. Sixth, marketing is a philosophy based on the consumer oriented and satisfaction. Seventh we have marketing had dual object profit market consumer satisfaction. So let's this point deals with in details. Marketing is a economics function. Marketing embraces all the business activity involved in a getting goods and services from the hand of the producer into the hand of the final consumer. Business step throughout the which goods progress on their way to final consumer in the concern of marketing. Second, we have marketing is a legal process by which ownership transfer deals. In this process, marketing is the ownership of a good transfer from the seller to purchaser or from the producer to end user. Third, we have marketing is a system of interacting business activity. Explain it. Marketing is the process of which business enterprise, institution, organization interacts with the customer and stockholder with the objective to earn profit, satisfy consumer, managing relationships. It is the performance of business activity that directs the flow of goods services from the producer to consumer or user. Fourth, we have marketing is a managerial function. Explain it. According to managerials or system approach, marketing is the combination of activity designed to produce profit throughout ascertaining, creating, simulating, satisfying the needs or want of a selected segment of the market. Second, we will approach it this way. Emphasis is the how the individual organization process marketing, develop the strategic dimension of the marketing activity. Fifth, we have marketing is a social process. Marketing is a delivery of a standard living of society according to the social marketing of the performance three essential function. First, knowing and understanding the consumer changing need and want. Second, effectively and efficiently managing the supply and demand of the products and services. Third, efficient provision, distribution, payment processing system. Sixth, defined marketing is a philosophy based on the consumer oriented and satisfaction. And seventh, marketing had deals with the object profits, marketing, consumer satisfactions. These all the points I will explain in the nature of marketing. Thanks for last. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.